Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a store on your own Google site with a place called Ecwid. So the first step we want to do is go to ecwid.com. Now, I want to click Get Started for free. Now, put in your details. Now it's going to go to the control panel. Might take a little bit. Now, so I live in Australia, so it's going to be Australian dollar. My store name will be Demo Store. Now, put in your other details. Now, tell us a little more about yourself. Do you have any experiences selling online? If you're just getting started, pick that one. What type of products will you be selling? I might be selling other. Not sure yet. Are you setting up for someone else? No. Do you already have a website? Yes. What website builder do you use? Other. Your platform. Google Sites. Okay, now we'll go to your store. So it'll give you some products where you can change. But now we want to embed it onto the demo site. We go to Overview. And other platforms. Now copy code to clipboard. So copy that. Now go to embed on Google Sites. Go to embed code and put it in the code. So the store should come up. Make it about this big. You can change these products if you like, but when you make it, it comes with these. So I'm going to use Amble products. Go all the way down to the bottom with this. Also, this has accounts and stuff, so you have to keep them there. Like that. And now, once you're done, go to publish. Dev demo site. There. If you want, you can set up a custom domain, but that'll be in another video. I'll teach you how to do that. So if we go over to here, there'll be a store. And you can embed it on any platform. It doesn't really work on Google Sites, but you can also embed it on dev sites. It really works on there. I'll show you how to embed it on dev sites in another video. So yeah, bye everyone. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more videos. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.